Hey guys, welcome to Tips for Dummies. Today I will be installing this carbon monoxide in the wall, and this is a simple one. You don't need a fancy one. As long as it does the job, that's pretty much what you need. Alright, so let's get started. Alright, so I'm getting the package, the alarm out of the package. I'm gonna take the back cover, and that's what I'm gonna use as a pattern for the wall. For the carbon dioxide, it doesn't have to be installed in a wall. You can have it on a table, but if it's not on the wall, at least they suggest to have it at least 3 feet from the floor. So I'm gonna put it on a hole. This is a hole, and it's close to the furnace. You see, right here is the furnace, and this is the hole. So I'm gonna put it right, like right to the height of my face, so that way little kids cannot touch it, but adults can. Okay, and all right. So the kit comes with the 2 little screws and this, so that way you can install it on the wall. Alright, so next I'm gonna put this in the wall like this. I'm gonna use the screw to make the patterns, just 2 holes. Alright. Just like that. Alright, so I know that's where I need to make the holes. Alright, cut it. So I should have used a 3/16 drill bit. I didn't even brought enough, so I'm using a little bit of 5/36. I'm gonna make the holes. I'm gonna make it just a little bit more, so that way okay, this one will hit the wall, so that's good. So I'm gonna get one of these inside. So I'm going to screw one in. Not all the way, leave about 1/8. Now I'm going to screw the other one. Alright, so I'm putting the other one like in the wall. That's in the wall, so that way it went pretty much in. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the cover or I'm going to put in the cover. I'm just going to tighten it a little bit more, and this one too. Alright, okay, so now I'm going to install the batteries on the artifact. Alright, so I'm going to get the batteries. Just like the pattern says. So we put the cover back on, and we're gonna install it on the wall, and bingo, this is it. Just press it in, it's on the wall, it's already installed. You have this little green light. I'm pretty sure most of them has that green light, and the test button, I'm pretty sure most of them have them. Press the button, and this is it, it's working. So that's it. Carbon monoxide alarm.